Hi, it's me again. If you are watching this, you're on part 3 for office hours. Quickly thought it was worthwhile to talk through how office hours are going to work. So open up that link for the office hours, and here they are, hopefully outlined in detail so you can understand how they're going to work. I also wanted to emphasize specifically for seniors, this is actually weirdly a very good opportunity for you to practice self-advocacy and to practice just not being shy and reaching out when you have a question, which is a skill you'll be using next year in college. So to see the bright side, this is a chance for you to really practice taking charge of your own education, your own time management, your own self-advocacy. And one of the main ways to do that in college is through attending and using the resource of office hours. So I'm going to require all of you to sign up for office hours with me either this week or next. The time slots are now open for this week. You can see there's times for today, tomorrow, and Friday. I do have to limit office hours pretty much to these time slots because I have other office hours with the algebra classes I support as well. So if you can't meet during these times, definitely reach out, but if we can make it work, this would be best for me. It's going to be 4 names per slot. So you can just go ahead, type in your name into the slot that you would like to meet with me during. And just a few quick rules. There's maximum of 4 students per time slot, just to make sure everyone's getting the individualized support they need. Make sure you write your first and your last name. Don't delete anyone else's name, and email me if you can't find a time that works. As soon as you have signed up for a time slot, so the next step you'll need to take is checking your email. So if you go to your email, you will see, let's see if I can find an example for you. You will see an invitation. It will be sent to you through Google and it will say invitation. This will be from me. Here's one that Mr. Weiner sent me this morning for our algebra meeting, and you can see he has all the other teachers on the invitation as well. What you will need to do from your end is say yes, accept the meeting, so I know that you're ready for office hours at that time. Then at the time that you have signed up for, so say you signed up for 9:30 a.m., you'll want to make sure you're there on your computer at 9:30 a.m. and you'll want to come back to this invite, and you're going to join the meeting directly from the invite. So this link that I'm highlighting here, you click on that link at the time that you signed up for, and it will take you directly into a little Google Hangout where you'll be able to see me, talk to me directly, as well as anyone else who signed up during that time. So this can be a little weird, a little bit awkward to think about, talking on video, but, it's only as awkward as we make it. I think this is a really good opportunity for us to stay connected. So if you're feeling like it's a little bit out of your comfort zone, I encourage you to push yourself and just know that no one's going to judge you. And this will be a great opportunity to just not go crazy and to stay socially connected. And you don't even have to talk to me about school or psychology. We can talk about anything at all. So if you see someone's name in your time slot that you don't know, you maybe never talked to them, again, I encourage you, just push yourself out of your comfort zone. Maybe you'll make a new friend. More likely than not, that person will probably just have a 5-minute question. You may not even interact with them at all. And if you do, it could be great. So don't let someone else's name in the slot deter you just because you don't know them. So this is the video about office hours. Please sign up for a time this week or next week. And thank you for listening.